So we're given a defined benefit pension plan. So there's an accrual rate of 1.3%, a final 1 year salary up to $55,000, and there's a 2% of final 1 year salary above $55,000. So we're looking at the difference between the final year salary and $55,000, which her salary in the year prior to the valuation was $88,000. And we want to multiply that by the number of years of service, which we're given Elizabeth has 20 years of service in her plan. Now we want to discount this back to age 50 from 65, and then we want to multiply by the probability of surviving 15 years at age 50. So for that, we need to solve for this using the standard ultimate life table. So given in 4. Then we want to multiply it by the annuity due. And when we do this, we get 166,082.97. Okay. So the next thing, so this is the actuarial liability when t is 0. So next we're going to be looking at this part, because the idea is that if I use this formula, solving for the normal contribution, I need to calculate what this is first, and then I'm going to subtract it with the previous answer. So the only thing, there's a couple things that change, but mainly that we're pushing it, the valuation date another year, so that's going to be 21 years of service. And we're still taking 1.3% of 55,000. But now we want to take the final year of service excess above 55,000. Well, according to 5, there's a salary increase of 2.5%. So if the last year was 88,000, the year after will be 88,000 times 1.025. Then we want to find the excess over 55,000, so we're going to subtract that. Okay. And we're still going to multiply it. We're still going to discount it back to age 50 and multiply by the probability of survival. So we're still keeping it surviving from age 50 to age 65. And then multiply it by the annuity due. So we calculate this, we get 179,967.51. And all that's left to do is to subtract it to find the normal contribution. So we'll take the previous answer, subtract it with the answer above. Final answer is 13,885.